Next exercise is give one word for each of the following. It means you have to write down one word answer for the whole statement. Fine. So before I start with exercise 3, I just want to give you one more reminder again that no need to watch your phone screens. I am speaking the answer and you also have to write down in your book. So let's discuss the first exercise, and wherever you feel like you can pause the video, write the answer, check your spellings and again restart with the video. Fine. So let's discuss the first statement. The process of picking out undesirable solids from another solid, and the answer is hand picking. Write down, answer is hand picking. Next, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature, and answer is saturated solution. SATURATED, saturated solution. Next, the process of beating grains from chaff, answer is manual threshing. Manual threshing. Next, the process of settling down of insoluble impurities in water, the answer is sedimentation. Sedimentation. Next, the liquid in which a solute can dissolve, answer is solvent. SOLVENT. The last one, the process by which insoluble solid is separated from a liquid by passing it through a filter, answer is filtration. FILTRATION, filtration. Next, fourth exercise, circle the odd one out and give reasons for your answer. Means different processes are written, and from each statement, from each point, you have to find out the odd one out answer and you have to give reason for it. So first is sieving, filtration, hand picking and threshing. So filtration is odd one out answer because sieving, hand picking and threshing are the separation processes which involves the separation of solids from the solid substances. Okay. So where you can write the reasons in front of your each option. The empty space is given here. So there you can write the answer, the reason that these methods are of separation of solid substances from solids. So this would be the first reason for the first statement. Next is evaporation, decantation, condensation and distillation. So out of this, decantation is odd one out because evaporation, condensation and distillation. Write reason here. The space given in front of that. Reason is because these rest of decantation is odd one out because rest of the options are the methods of separation of soluble solids from liquid. So decantation is not the method done for the same. Next is sedimentation, winnowing, decantation and filtration. Winnowing is odd one out because sedimentation, decantation and filtration, these are the methods used for the separation of, right here the space given in front of it, these are the winnowing is odd one out. Rest of the methods are used for the separation of insoluble substances from liquids. Next, solute, solvent, sand and solution. Sand is incorrect. Sand is odd one out because solvent and solute both together makes a solution. So solute and solvent and solution. Out of these, sand is odd one out. So right here, solute and solvent make solution and sand is the example of solute. So let's move to our exercise number 5. You can see few pictures are given at the end of the page number 39. These 3 pictures you have to identify that they depict which of the method. Like in first picture, pictures are given in your book also, and after the picture a blank is given. There you have to write out the process used or shown in the picture. So which process they shows? Yes, correct, it shows winnowing process. It shows winnowing process. Next is which method it is shown in your book? Yes, it shows filtration process. FILTRATION, filtration process. And the last picture shows hand picking method. Hand picking method. So let's move to next page number, that is page number 40. You can see that picture is given here and you have to find out which method it is shown. So name the method shown in the picture. It shows decantation process. DECANTATION, decantation process. And in sixth question, B part, in A part you have to give the name of the method. In B part you have to give the uses of this method. So in the first blank you can write first use. Start writing. To separate soaked pulses from water. And second method, second use is it is used for getting clean water from dirty water. Now let's move to exercise number 7. Very short answer type questions. Again, one word you have to answer. Give an example of immiscible liquid. So best example is oil and water. Hope you are side by side writing answers in your book. We are on 7th question, first part. Give an example of immiscible liquid, oil and water. Next, what method will you use to separate grains from stalk? That is threshing. THRESHING, threshing. Next is name the liquid that is called a universal solvent. Answer is water. There only in the book, in front of the statement, empty space is given there. Free space is given there. You can write one word answer in your book there only. So fourth one, name two methods which you can use to separate insoluble solids from liquid. Answer is sedimentation and decantation. Answer is sedimentation and decantation. So here we are done all the exercises. Now we have to start with short answer type questions.